This information just in, Ripple XRP holders. Welcome back here to the channel. Ripple XRP is targeting Japan again and Asia again. This is something we have continued to see. And in this video, we're going to break things down. Just a quick hitting video for you guys. I'm going to speak right at you, give you guys right to the information you need and want to know. All I ask, guys, hit that like button, subscribe down below. If you do want to check out all the links down below in the description, I've got my trading software, XT Algo. I've also got some exchanges that I've partnered up with if you want to trade XRP or any other crypto assets. But with that out of the way, Ripple is making major moves in Asia once again, and this time it's targeting Japan's growing Web3 startup scene. And wait till you hear some of the numbers. That's right, Ripple has partnered with Web3 Salon, which is a leading accelerator in Japan. They're doing this in order to empower early stage startups building on the XRP ledger with massive grant funding for their project. We're talking upwards to $200,000. And this is why it pays to have money on the sidelines. And that's what Ripple has done and how they've structured their entire company. They have capital. They can go out and do these grant funding initiatives. They can go out and buy companies when they see that there's value. But what does this particularly mean for Ripple, for XRP, for Japan, etc.? We're going to break it down for you guys in the video. Again, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. This partnership aims to accelerate innovation in Japan's digital asset space, which they have been very, very open to DeFi and particularly DeFi within the XRP ecosystem, tokenization, NFTs, and real-world asset use cases. So through this initiative, Web3 Salon will be working closely with Ripple in order to scout and support new builders using XRP Ledger's fast, low-cost, and eco-friendly blockchain. Each selected project gets up to $200,000 in funding, not loans, grants, meaning there's no repayment here, just support to grow. Plus, they'll receive mentoring, resources, and connections within the XRP developer ecosystem. This is a bold step, making Japan a Web3 innovation hub. And XRP Ledger is right at the center of all of it. Ripple's been expanding aggressively in Asia for some time, especially since the SEC and the previous regime came down on XRP and Ripple with their lawsuit. But from launching a Tokyo office to forging CBDC partnerships with nations like Palau and Bhutan, this move that we're seeing here today further proves Ripple is doubling down on utility and adoption within Japan. And with Japan's clear crypto regulations and pro-blockchain environment right now, it's the perfect storm for XRP Ledger adoption. You could say similar things about the Middle East and Dubai in particular. But if you're a builder in Japan or just bullish on XRP, this is massive news. Projects backed by Ripple have a history of long-term success. So could the next big thing be built here on the XRP Ledger come out of Tokyo? Well, we will soon find out. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of startup would you launch on the XRP Ledger with a $200,000 grant? What's your great business idea? Who knows? Maybe it could come to fruition. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Zach Humphries, and I'll see you guys in the next update.